There are so many beautiful racehorses out there that are not successful on the racing track that you can go and take them into a competition horse. Don't expect them to be a horse that's ready-made, and I think that's where a lot of people make the mistake.
So there are a few areas which we need to address. Very clear to me the steps that Tina takes in the way she's riding the horses, just gradually build one thing after another, and if something goes a bit wrong, you go back a step straight away and then you rebuild it. If you do the reschooling right with them, you will have possibly the best horse in the world.
They're fantastic horses to work with, and the more I work with them, the whole time I'm learning.